Good day to you, students. How are you doing? Today, we'll be dealing with chapter 7.2, the energy from the sun. Let's start the class. Energy sources from the sun. Most energy used on the earth can be traced back to the sun. Fossil fuels are stores of energy that came from the sun millions of years ago. We are to drag the following words into the correct boxes. Okay? Light from the sun can be used to produce hot water via the use of solar panels, and also be used to generate electricity. Okay? Wind is used to generate electricity using wind turbines. Hydroelectric power comes from the sun, from the process of water, cycle. So let's check. That's correct. Okay, let's continue. Also by dragging the following words into the correct boxes. Hydroelectric power does not fully come from the sun, but from the tides in the water. Moon and sun contributes to ocean tides. Nuclear power also makes use of nuclear fuels like uranium, which is mined from underground. Geothermal energy depends on the presence of radioactive substances inside the heart. So let's check. That's correct. Let's move on. Let's deal with the source of sun's energy. Energy is released in the sun by the process of nuclear fusion, nuclear fragment, nuclear fission, nuclear crazy. The correct answer here now is nuclear fusion. Let's check. Correct. Why is it nuclear fusion? Because it entails the chemical combination of two or more radioactive substances, which generates more and more atoms glowing from time to time without stopping. It's a continuous process. We have to fill in the missing words. Nuclear fusion requires very dash and dash in the sun. Nuclear fusion requires very high temperatures. And prayer. And the sun. So we can see that that's correct. Now, also again, let's deal with this activity. Most of the energy we use comes originally from the sun. A renewable resource is naturally replaced after we have used it. Coal and other fossil fuels are examples of non-renewable energy resources. Energy carried by the wind can be used to turn turbines to generate electricity. So we check, that's correct. Now, let's deal with us having to pick the correct statements. From number 1, all energies come from hydropower. That statement is wrong. Hydropower, it is the power generated from water. We all have other sources of energy, basically from fuels, from the food we eat, from machines that propels or drive or produces energy. Not all energies come from sunlight. That statement is what? Correct. All energies come from sunlight. The statement is what? False. Because we have machines, we have man-made objects also that produces what? Energy. So the correct answer is that not all energies come from sunlight. As you can see, it is correct. Number 2, energy is released from the sun by the process of nuclear fragmentation. The statement is what? Wrong. Energy is released from the sun by the process of nuclear fusion. The statement is what? Correct. Whereby we have 2 or more atoms of hydrogen and helium reacting together to give a glow of energy, which is transmitted to the planets that go around the what? The sun. Energy is released from the sun by the process of nuclear fission. This is not what? Possible. So that statement, the third statement, is wrong. So the second statement, energy is released from the sun by the process of nuclear fusion, is correct. We pick it and check. That is correct. With this, we've come to the end of this class. Do well to check our website www.edubbey.com for more of our interactive content and videos. We ask you to subscribe, and subscribe. Do have a great time. Bye.